Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're on Google now. Let's zoom the page for readability. First, press Ctrl+ to increase or Ctrl to decrease. These keyboard shortcuts change the browser's zoom instantly. Why this works? Browser zoom scales everything, including images and search results, so you see more or less content at once. Once done, glance at the percent indicator in the toolbar or menu to confirm the exact zoom level, and make small adjustments until text and layout look comfortable. Now refine the zoom for a consistent view across pages. Open the browser menu, find Zoom, and choose a precise percent such as 125% to make text larger without breaking layouts. On mobile, pinch out with 2 fingers to magnify the page and pinch in to reduce. Mobile browsers remember your zoom for that tab, so it's efficient. If things look off, press Ctrl-0 to reset to 100%, which restores default scaling. This helps maintain predictable page behavior. Finish by making your zoom choice persistent. Pin the tab, save it in a browser profile, or set a site-specific zoom in the browser settings so Google opens at your preferred scale. Why save it? Consistency saves time and prevents eye strain. If a site looks broken after zooming, reset to 100% or remove the site-specific zoom. This usually fixes layout issues. Troubleshooting tip. If Zoom still misbehaves, clear cache and restart the browser. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.